So you might be trying to figure out how you can swipe or go back inside of a different application or inside of a different page on your iPhone. Now doing this is very basic. It's one of the most basic things you can do inside of your iPhone, and I'll show you how to do it. First things first, we want to make our way over to any application. So in this case, we'll start off with our settings. Now, if we go and click on a certain tab right here, let's say we click on the general tab right here. Well, if we wanted to go back to the previous page, you can either click on the back button that's in the settings panel right here. So it says settings with a little back arrow. You can go and tap this and come back into the previous panel you were just in. Or what you could do is if you were here, you could also just go ahead and swipe back just like this. So you could just go ahead and swipe back to the previous page just like that, and you'll come into your previous settings panel that you were just in right there. So that is basically how you do it. If you're somewhere, you can swipe back and you'll come back into the previous page. However, a big thing to keep in mind here is that not every application has something you can go back to. You can see I'm swiping back, there's nothing to go back to because I've already gone back to the first panel. This is the main panel right here. This also goes for pretty much any other, application too. So let's say we go over here, let's say I click on this main panel up here. If I want to go back, I can just swipe back, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But as you can see, it worked right there. If I'm in TikTok, if I click here, if I want to go ahead and click onto my TikTok app, if I want to go back, I can just swipe back and I can go back right there too. I can swipe back once more and swipe back into the main panel. So really it's just swiping back. You can also swipe forward in some applications too, not all of them, but you do have that type of capability, which is another really nice touch. Same exact thing goes for Safari. If I'm right here, let's say I click into this page and then I go here, let's say I want to go back, I can go back and forth just like that. Same exact thing happens here too. So it's pretty much how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.